How to add vocoder effect to your voice audio on Audacity. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add vocoder effect to your voice on Audacity easy and fast. So first thing of course is record your audio, or you can open it from here. Now after you record your audio or open it, all what you have to do is select it like this by double click on it. Now go here, click on effect and go down and click on vocoder right here. Now here you will have the vocoder settings. All what you have to do is manage them from here easy and fast. As you can see, you can change anything from here. As you can see, choose the output choice and then click OK. If this video was helpful for you, I hope you don't forget to subscribe and like the video and leave a comment below, because that will support me a lot. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. See you later.